I get asked all the time about my car alarm that I got from Ezy Prime, if I can change the sensitivity on it, which you actually can. All you gotta do to change it is a few simple steps with the remote. Your first step is to hold down the unlock button, which is the second one, and you hold it until the light comes back on, and then you can let go, and that's you in settings mode. And then you've got that sound, which is your level of sensitivity. That's a second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. Seventh being the lowest of sensitivities. So I like to have mine on number 1. And to exit out of it, you just press the unlock button and you're out of the sensitivity setting mode. That's how you change the sensitivity on your Ezy Prime toolbox alarm, just to keep all your tools safe.